Hello traders, Peconsington from iHub here today, and I want to talk to you about the stock chart for CYBK, Kiosk Solutions Incorporated, which is an OTC markets traded stock. So, the first thing I want to point out here is the RSI. You'll notice that the 14-period RSI is hovering right around the buy zone. It's at 48.21 right now, and when that crosses above 50, it's going to be spiking up a little harder, and it's going to be above 50, which is what we consider to be the buy zone. So that's a very bullish indicator as we look forward. Another thing I want to point out is that today we had a nice little bullish engulfing candle. That's something that you want to look for because it generally means that you're kind of counteracting the previous more bearish day, and we also had higher volume than we had yesterday on a red day with our bullish engulfing candle today. So that's another good sign for that candle. So something else to point out is we actually crossed and closed above the 50-day moving average today, which is this yellow line right here. That's a good sign as we head into tomorrow. It's going to bring in some technical traders, and we are currently about to fight the 20-day moving average, which is the middle of the Bollinger Bands. It's this dashed blue line that you can kind of see right here. So that's something that you want to watch for to break. But probably the most important levels here are the 10-cent level, which is the bottom line of this channel that we've been trading in here recently, and the top line, which is just here above 16 cents. So you'll notice that we're currently at about 12.2 cents, which is just kind of below the middle of the channel. So we've got plenty of room for upside here, and we're looking pretty good to keep going up, in my opinion. We're seeing kind of more increasing volume now. Let me kind of draw a little line for that. We'd seen a decrease in the volume here, but we're starting to come back up finally here. So that's something to keep your eyes on. And let's see here. The other things I wanted to point out here are that the MACD's decline has slowed down, and we're looking to start going back up, and we're still kind of bullishly crossed over here. So we're looking good here. We've got the Accum dist line spiking up as well, and the cash money flow looks like it's about to have a nice spike up. It's kind of recovering from some downside here, so that kind of means accumulation. And again, we can go back up to the chart here and see that this green day here actually had the highest volume, so out of recent days. So we've seen a lot more accumulation here than we have bid whacking or any of that sort of thing. We're seeing a lot more ask slapping from the looks of things on the volume side of things. So another indicator I want to point out really quickly is that our TRIX is still bullishly crossed over, and the kind of downtrend of it is starting to slow down, and it's looking like it's going to start going back up, which is another bullish sign for momentum here. So my expectations for tomorrow is we're going to kind of follow the channel and keep going back up, because there's a lot of room to the upside of this channel, and we've seen now countless times our 10-cent support is held very strongly. It seems like it's there to stay, and I'll draw that out really quickly so you can kind of see it across the chart. But we're seeing that 10-cent line being pretty important on this chart, and it's holding as a support really well. Kind of make that more apparent for you. So that 10-cent line is a good support line to watch, and then we're looking for a break above about 16.1 cent. If we break above that, we're probably going to see a nice blue sky breakout, and things are looking great here. So keep your eyes on this chart come tomorrow, which is going to be Tuesday, the 26th of February, 2013. We saw 1.67% gains today, and this thing has a lot more potential to see way higher than that, in my opinion. So keep your eyes peeled here, and good luck trading this. Once again, this is CYBK, Kiosk Solutions Incorporated, which is an OTC markets traded stock. Good luck.